Hello, technology enthusiasts! Get ready for the most recent and revolutionary advancement in AI-generated images, Stable Diffusion's SDXL Turbo. This incredible AI technology produces stunning images in real time. It's like having a magician at your fingertips, creating visual wonders with just a few words. SDXL Turbo is a speedy version of Stable Diffusion's powerful AI model, designed to make images quickly at 512 pixels by 512 pixels. This smaller size contributes to its speed, allowing you to use these quick pics to plan for more detailed images later. You can try SDXL Turbo for free on ClipDrop, a platform by Stability AI. If you're tech-savvy, you can even run it on your own computer. The magic behind Turbo Speed is a new distillation technology that enables the AI to understand things in just one step instead of 50, making everything happen super fast. Here's how you can try it out on ClipDrop. Go to clipdrop.co, sign in or sign up. Enter your idea into the box. Type what you want the image to be. Watch as the image box fills up with your creation. Add more words to refine your image. Download your creation when it's perfect. After a few tries, they might ask you to pay $13 a month or $108 per year, but ClipDrop gives you a few free credits to start with. Why not give it a shot? Turbo might just turn your ideas into incredible images in seconds. The future of AI-generated images is here, faster and more mesmerizing than ever. Don't miss out on turning your ideas into visual masterpieces. Keep watching, creating, and stay tuned for the next wave of tech magic. Thanks for watching. If you are captivated by the possibilities of SDXL Turbo, hit that subscribe button below. Your support keeps us unraveling the latest in tech magic. Until next time, keep creating and stay enchanted.